Not encountered any paranormal activity.
Yes, we have.
You have?
Any encounters?
Yes.
Yeah, many, yeah.
Many?
Yes.
That's why.
There is more,
See how your interest is peaked now.
Changing.
You see why I make horror movies? You have your answer.
Where did you encounter the horror?
Actually, my first encounter was in a place called Mukesh Mills. So we were shooting for a film and it was like 3 in the morning. And we had put up a huge street cassette. And there was action. And there was an ambassador car that we had to blast. So Mukesh Mill is like one huge long road, cobblestone road within the mill complex, say about 600, 700 meters down. And then interspersed with it were like these small little lanes that went to the right. And between these lanes there were these buildings of the mill. And then these buildings like really stretched all along that road. So something like the letter E, if that makes sense, you know. You have this big road and then you have these buildings that go like this. So because we were shooting the blast, I told my action director, I said, you know, it might be a good idea to place a camera on top to get the blast. So one camera down and one camera on top. So me and an assistant of mine, the camera attendant who was carrying the camera, another attendant and an assistant DOP. There were like 5 of us, 5 or 6 of us. And we had to go up a fire escape and we went into this second floor place. Now the second floor place, you have to imagine that it's from the edge of the road. That room used to extend something like 200 feet. And it had these white pillars on it. It was a massive room. It, like imagine an endless banquet room, which is completely dilapidated. And because the HMI light was completely on the side, there was just a little pool of bright. Otherwise, the whole room was in darkness. And incidentally, I had heard from a friend of mine, Raju Khan. Saroj Khan, you must have heard of, is a famous choreographer. Her son Raju did a lot of my choreography. So Raju had an incident in that very room. But at 3 in the morning, I was not thinking about that. I wanted to set up the camera. So I set up the camera, and my action master said, I need 10 minutes more. So I said, take your time. It's a dangerous kind of shot. Should not hurry it up. So मैंने सोचा मैं अभी नीचे कहाँ जाऊँ यार, मैं यहीं बैठ जाता हूँ. So there was this wooden chair. I just sat down. There was silence. We were just waiting. Suddenly, from the dark inside, we heard a blood-curdling scream. Scream. And it was, I mean, if it was a scream of somebody in so much pain. So all 6 of us, and there was a light man, so all of us kind of got startled and we looked inside. And it went on, it was like really misery, pain filled. And then after it stopped, there was a strange sound that went shh, shh, shh. As if someone was asking this pain-filled scream to keep quiet. So I was like, definitely someone's pulling my leg, yeah. कि वो ऊपर बैठा है 5-10 मिनट है. And especially when you have these fighters now, and because the action scene is going on, these fighters are the most, because they're not frightened of anything, no? They do this and they do that. So they have this strange sense of humor. So I came to the edge and I told my action master, I said, Abbas, यहाँ तो कुछ चीखने चिल्लाने की आवाज़ आ रही है यार. So he got really mad because it was a very important shot and blast and all, it can kill people. So he says, यार ऐसे मौके पे कौन मजाक कर रहा है? So भाई कोई नहीं है, हम लोग सब नीचे हैं. And I could see that they were all down, nobody was up. I said, कोई नहीं. So then I went and sat down again. Again it came. It must have come like 5-6 times at least. So Abbas said कि आप टेंशन मत लो, मैं किसी को बेचता हूँ ऊपर. So these 2 big fighters with hockey sticks and all came. So I saw them, I said, क्या plan है यार? Because it's obviously something supernatural and I don't think you're going to beat it with a hockey stick. अरे सर कोई मजाक कर रहा है, देखा ना. बोला ठीक है जा. So they went into the darkness. They must have taken like 3-4 steps. And they turned out, कुछ नहीं है भाई, कुछ नहीं है. मैंने बोला अभी तो तू अंदर भी नहीं गया. भाई कुछ लफड़ा लग रहा है. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है जाने दे, कोई बात नहीं. By the time the shot was ready, we took the shot, went down. The production guy went and called the watchman. And he said that ऐसा साउंड आया ना सर. मैंने बोला हाँ. सिंह सर हर रोज़ रात को 3 बजे आता है. शूटिंग होना हो आता है.
We're not going that compound ever.
Now I got scared at that time when he said that. Now I was like, oh shit. I was in the presence of such. Now imagine this is 1993. Okay, this incident. 13 years later, 2006, I'm making a film called Red, and I'm shooting in Mukesh Mill under the building, the same building, a little further away. But under that building, I see the executive producer and my assistant, both ladies, they are talking to each other. But I'm shooting, so I forget what's the time. And suddenly they come running towards us. And they are looking like they've heard a ghost. And I see the time and it's 3 in the morning. And I look at them and I say, चीख सुनी क्या आप लोगों ने? हाँ, आपको कैसे पता? I said, ऐसी थी, हाँ. I said, यार अभी भी आ रहा है यार, 13 साल के बाद एकदम पंक्चुअल बूथ है, मतलब 3 AM मतलब 3 AM है.
You use the screen, no, in your film?
It took me 15 to 20 days to replicate that scream in Raz. In Raz, when she hears the screams in the forest, it's a direct copy of that scream. But I'm sure it was somebody in a lot of pain. Because that place got burned down and it's seen a lot of misery. That place is, I mean, you can make out. I remember when we just started shooting in that place, it was in Agnipath time. So when you would go to these rooms, there were these spindles. And the day they had shut the mill down and walked off the workers, the spindles were still there. All, they had all cobwebs on them, but they are still looped into the machine. And that was after 10 years. of the mill being shut down.